Sudhiti Naman students, I am Yoginder. This video for you, class 9th, subject Information Technology, chapter Computer Fundamentals. In this video, we will discuss output devices and their examples. So, what is output devices, or what do you understand by output devices? Answer is that devices are used to give information to the users are called output devices. Monitor and printer are the two most commonly used output devices. In other words, output devices is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to compute the result of data processing carried out by an information processing system to the outside world. Output device is a hardware or computer hardware. Its main function is give the information to the user by output devices. Example: speaker, monitor, printer, etc. First output device is monitor. Every student know about monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device used in computer. It is also called visual display unit. It looks like a television screen and is measured in inches. Monitor is a visual display unit, look like as a TV screen and measured in inches. Its length is measured in inches. Typical monitor size are 15 or 17 inches. Video adapter are responsible for delivering the image to the monitor. Monitor are classified based on technology in three types. First is cathode ray tube CRT, liquid crystal display LCD monitor, thin film transistor TFT monitor. Printer is another commonly used output device, but it is used to provide output as a printed sheet of paper. Now, printer are two types: impact printer or non-impact printer. Inkjet printer, it uses ink spray of different color to print on paper. Laser printer, it uses optical rays to print on paper. Laser printers can give only black and white printouts. Line printer, it prints one page at a time. Plotter, it is used to print large architectural and industrial drawings. So, plotter is used for big and large size drawing or printout. And two printer given below, non-impact and impact printer. Speaker is an output device used to play sound from the computer. It can be used to play music, listen to podcast means digital audio file, postcard means digital audio file, watch video, etc. The speaker may be inbuilt like in laptops or attached to the CPU externally. So, inbuilt speaker in laptop, and we can attach externally speaker in desktop computer. Some mistake of written so carefully. Now LCD projector. LCD stand for liquid crystal display. LCD projector is an output device that is used to show computer output on a screen. It is most commonly for presentation during business greetings and conferences. So LCD is a liquid crystal display and it is used for big screen. If you want to output on a big screen, then you can use LCD projector.